Hello, myself Mr. Masanappa, Associate Professor, Department of English, Veerashaiva College, Ballari. As I said in the previous session, today I am going to talk to you about use of appropriate media in your presentation skills. As a presenter, that you must have to choose the right medium of your presentation in your sessions. There are three important media in the process of communication. They are visual medium, kinesthetic medium, and tactile medium. Visual medium. Presently, visual medium is very popular in effective communication process. All possible methods of print, audio, and visual clippings can be used in this teaching and learning process. Let us discuss it later after discussing the other two mediums. Kinesthetic medium. Kinesthetic medium of communication is adapted through physical activity. This method of communication can be adapted to the learners whose memory is associated with emotions. For them, learning process through physical activity is facilitated through dance, debate, drama, role play, and charts. And we must involve them in physical activity to learn and remember. This kind of learning leads to a long-term memory since it is associated with emotions such as excitement, curiosity, anger, disappointment, and success. But this medium is rarely preferred method of learning. Tactile medium. This medium of communication is related to the sense of touch. This method of tactile device is adapted to the people who are physically impaired in terms of dumb, deaf, and blind. A tactile device is one which can translate a text to braille that can help the blind to touch and understand. And you might have known very well about a popular author, Helen Keller, a citizen of America who was suffering from a triple impairity of blind, deaf, and dumb. The tactile medium of teaching method is very helpful to her to learn the things. Now let us learn visual medium in detail. A presentation is successful when you are using the uh, following things which have been including in your presentation. The first thing, print, and you must have to prepare number of copies of printed material or handouts to be given to your audience of your presentation contains a lot of verbal descriptions. Listeners can make notes on the margins of those copies related to your topic while listening to your speech. This will help them to read leisurely at their homes and understand it better than listening to your verbal bombast. You must prepare handouts that follow the structure and sequence of your presentation. And next, tables and graphs. As a presenter, you must provide tables and graphs or the data which is related to your speech. Will enhance the effectiveness of your presentation, giving them out to the audience as handouts also has its advantages as they can analyze the data and seek clarification there and then. Projected shorter tables and graphical presentations have visual impact and they augment your verbal presentations. Drawings and cartoons. And drawings and cartoons with or without captions can quickly convey information or an idea to the audience in a subtle and focused manner. In fact, a cartoon can convey more than what a picture conveys as it is more focused, and its effect is heightened because of the cartoonist's sense of humor. So, as a presenter, you can use uh, drawings and cartoons which can help your to the topic. Paintings and photographs. The paintings and photographs will add the color and value to your presentation. An apt painting or a photograph can replace 1,000 words and convince audience in better manner. Sometimes a single painting or a single photograph may not enough to your topic. Then presentations of a series of photographs in a sequence is to be taken. When your presentation contains a number of examples, just one photograph or an image may not be sufficient. A series of photographs are to be presented in a sequence using slides and a overhead projector or computer enabled multimedia projector, which can enhance the effectiveness of your presentation. And audio and video clips. These two media go together hand in hand in their formats in presentation. These audio visual clippings can help you to explain your topic very effectively. Of course, with the advent of multimedia messaging services, simply we can call it MMS technology, nowadays students are well equipped to handle these media systems like WhatsApp, Telegram, or TikTok, blogs, so many other things which are helpful in video and audio clippings, and we can use it as a multimedia messaging servicing systems. Animations. Animations are created by graphic designer artists to enhance the level of understanding by giving learners an opportunity to visualize which cannot be seen or experienced. Explanations based on diagrams on the blackboards or the drawings available in the books are two-dimensional pictures of a three-dimensional objects. Two-dimensional pictures can help a man to explain the concept of a mission but not help the audience to understand it completely. Thus, animated motion pictures will certainly help to the presenter to make this presentation very successful and meaningful. Finally, multimedia packages. Multimedia packages is a learning package which contains text, photographs, graphs, animations, and even video clippings, where the relevant media appear as and when and where required according to the desire of the user. An approach where different media are used in a balanced way and the material presented in a package will enhance understanding of concepts and their applications. The presenter must keep in mind the appropriate media can only support your presentation. So, once again, I repeat, the presenter must keep in mind the appropriate media can only support your presentation. The content of the presentation and its sequence are to be decided by the presenter only. Even the multimedia tools cannot completely replace the presenter, but they can only support you. Therefore, the presenter should have thorough practice in presentation skills and better training before going to a presentation to a group of audience who are expecting to present a nice presentation. Thank you.